flippers and no opposable thumbs. Basically flippers.
Our resort is very cheerful.
Actually.
Traitors!
Are we there yet? For safety's sake, I think Ferb and I should check out the scene.
We go, I think I'm getting around. We got it. Pursue it. Good job, I think you stop.
So long.
Computer! iPad! Movie!
Oh no. With some fancy
You, iPad.
Check it out, Candace.
Huh.
There's tons of these.
We do not
Hey, Wahini. Looks like
You
you're
got it there. Ah! I'm gonna start this story down. Hey! Slash that thing! You're not gonna go again. Hey! Hold on. Who are gonna do? Something is that.
Looks like someone's getting a free dessert, huh?
No way. I don't want it.
Come on, Tyrant! It is out. Please! I don't.
I've got to get off this island. What I need is a boa. As I have now been told it is pronounced.
Whoa! What's this? You're after he will
Our
grieve.
efforts would be better spent if we worked together to get off the island.
Grieve. Charmers.
You won't find it by
What? Whoa!
Shortcake, please. Tell me you won't take it from here. Rubber Ducky is in the water. Over. What do you say we get something to eat? Here, there's a great restaurant on the other side of the island. I found one of these. Maybe we'll get a free dessert.
No! 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 No!